guys, in this video we are going to learn how to create an Instagram professional account for your business. It is super easy. Like right now I am on my screen and I have opened the instagram.com. Here there is a button or hyperlink, you can say, of sign up, right? We will click on sign up button and then we will create an Instagram account. Okay, so here is the next screen. We need to enter our mobile number or email address that we want to link with our Instagram account. So like I am entering my email ID over here. Okay, after entering the email ID, you can enter the password, right? Your full name and username. So like I am going to enter the password. Okay, I have entered the password. Now I need to enter the full name of my Instagram account. Many times the student asks me like, can we use space over like a full name? Yeah, we can, but in the username we can't add spaces, right? We need to enter either underscore or like you can enter the full stop or like whatever any other symbol, but we can't use spaces in the username section. Okay, now I'm going to click on sign up, but as this name is not available, so I will try to like use a unique username. Okay, now I will click on sign up and now it is asking me about my date of birth, right? So like here you need to enter your date of birth, not your date of like incorporation of business, right? Else Instagram will think that you are under 18 and like there would be issues while running the ad. So now it have sent an email of verification code which I need to enter over here. Okay, now I am entering the confirmation code and now I will click on next. Okay, so like my Instagram account has been created. Like it is super easy to create a new Instagram account. So like we can use this for running our business ad, right? We need to convert it into the professional account, which we would learn later. So like if you want to learn digital marketing course, you can check out the link in video description and you can visit our website and purchase our digital marketing course. Thank you.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.